Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So let's see what happened today and then we will see what can happen tomorrow. So first of all I'll open Nifty chart. और दोस्तों आज से हम लोग हिंदी भी यूज करेंगे, दोनों लैंग्वेज यूज करेंगे तो तक सबको आसानी होगी। तो पहले देखते हैं कि निफ्टी में क्या हुआ। ओके, if you can see it here, I clearly said that it will act as a good support area. These two levels will act as a good support area, so it has already taken support here. For tomorrow we might see these levels acting as a good support area, and if it acts as a support area then we might see the upside towards 800 again. If it doesn't, then we might slide towards these levels again and it might retest it. So be ready with proper level. It has closed at exactly good level, so this trend line will act as a good resistance as well, and above this we might see breakout as well. So we have a resistance here, we have a support here, so it's in a narrow range. Either side it can give good movement, so be ready for that. Let's check Bank Nifty. सिमिलर सिचुएशन हियर, यहाँ भी वही सिचुएशन है। अगर ये यहाँ से 21,500 के ऊपर सस्टेन करता है, इफ़ इट सस्टेन्स अबव 21,500, then we might see further upside. You can see here, if it breaks this level with power, then we might be able to see 22,000 again. You can see here I have clearly mentioned it as a good support area and it is saved in my trading view. I said that if it will come to these levels then it will be a sure shot buy. So if it breaks these levels 21,200, then we might see further slide, and if it breaks these levels 21,600, then we might see further upside. So it is also positioned at a good point, and tomorrow is Friday, so either side we might see good movement. Let's check few other stocks. Dr. Reddy, I clearly said that if it will trade above 3990, then it might show further upside towards 4100, because this was my target, and you can see it has given more than that. So now it is at resistance. If it goes up, then it might give a fresh breakout. You can see here 4150 is a good level, and in 2 hours RSI is 80. Let me see it in daily time frame. Yes, RSI is bullish, super bullish. So we might see a fresh breakout in this script if it sustains above these levels, that is 4165. So if it sustains above this, then we might see further upside on this script. Okay, let's check few more stocks. Hindustan Unilever is about to give a breakout as well, but I will consider the stocks which I have given in the channel. You can see here HDFC Bank, it is at good support area. I said already that this area will act as a good support, so it has actually formed a bullish hammer kind of pattern here. So if it sustains above these levels 1065.70, then we might see fresh upside towards 1080 or 1090 as well. Okay, let's check few more stocks. If you remember yesterday I said that two-wheeler companies are doing really great, and if it sustains above 2640.50, then it might show further upside. I clearly said the fresh breakout will be above 2680, and you can see that it has already made a high of 2720 from that level. So it's a breakout. If the market remains positive, then we might see fresh upside on this script. because people are choosing two wheelers in place of cars because of COVID. They don't want to travel in group, they want to travel alone, so maybe their demand will keep on high note. So I'm really bullish on two wheeler auto stocks at least. Let's check few more stocks. HUL, you can see it has given a breakout and it is about to give a fresh breakout. Where exactly? So if it sustains above 2300, then we are going towards 2400. If it remains above this, then we are going towards 2400 or 2500 as well. Okay, but as it has already shown a good up move, I would suspect that it will retrace a bit and then will show more upside. So be ready for that. Don't be a strong bullish person. Use the retracements on the upside to go long. You can see the best trading strategy is not to buy at these levels, is to buy at the retracement level. The best trading strategy is not to buy at these levels. The best one is to buy the dips you are getting in an upside. So best way is to enter at these levels, not at the tops. Okay, just after the movement we should not take the entry, we should wait for the retracement and then we should go long for fresh upside. So similar way you can trade here, let it retrace for a bit and then when it forms reversal pattern, then you can go long on this. That will be the best thing to do. Okay. Okay, thanks guys then. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my videos.